Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2020 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.